Two of the thinnest flagship smartphones ever made have arrived. Apple's iPhone 17 Air and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. Both promise premium design, top-tier performance, and cutting-edge displays, all in bodies slimmer than most pens. But thin doesn't always mean better. Today, we're going to break down every detail: design, display, performance, cameras, battery, connectivity, and price, to see which one might be the better fit for you. The iPhone 17 Air is Apple's slimmest iPhone to date, measuring just 5.64 millimeters thick and weighing 165 grams. It's a phone that feels almost impossibly light and thin in the hand, yet still solid thanks to its Grade 5 titanium frame. The finish is polished but understated, and the flat-edge design keeps it looking sharp and modern. Apple has equipped it with Ceramic Shield 2 on both the front and back, which they claim offers triple the scratch resistance and improved crack protection over the previous generation. It's also IP68 rated, meaning it can survive up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes, more than enough for accidental drops in the pool or sink. The Galaxy S25 Edge is only slightly thicker at 5.8 millimeters and comes in a touch lighter at 163 grams. It also uses a titanium frame paired with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back. Its IP68 rating covers immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The most obvious design difference is in the display edges. Samsung has kept the signature curved edge look, which blends the screen into the sides of the phone for a more seamless wraparound feel. Both devices are engineering feats in terms of thinness, but they take different approaches to how that thinness is expressed. Apple's iPhone 17 Air features a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2736 by 1260, giving it a pixel density of around 460 pixels per inch. It supports ProMotion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and it can hit a peak brightness of 3,000 nits outdoors. That's incredibly bright, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR, which means movies and shows mastered for HDR look rich and lifelike. Apple's focus here is on color accuracy, smooth motion, and brightness that adapts to your environment. The Galaxy S25 Edge goes slightly larger with a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display. The resolution is higher at 3120 by 1440, which works out to about 513 pixels per inch. It also runs at up to 120 Hz with adaptive refresh and supports HDR10+. Peak brightness is measured at around 1416 nits, not as high as the iPhone's, but still excellent for most lighting conditions. The curved edges give it a more immersive look, and Samsung's AMOLED panels are known for deep blacks and vibrant colors. In short, Apple wins on raw brightness, while Samsung offers higher resolution and a more dramatic design. Inside the iPhone 17 Air is Apple's A19 Pro chip. It's built with a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and the new N1 networking chip, which supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. The C1X modem handles 5G connectivity, promising twice the speed and 30% less energy use compared to the previous generation. Apple hasn't disclosed the exact RAM, but storage options range from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The A-series chips have a reputation for leading the industry in sustained performance, and the 17 Air is no exception. It handles demanding apps and multitasking without breaking a sweat. The Galaxy S25 Edge uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, featuring the Orion V2 CPU and Adreno 830 GPU. It comes with 12 GB of RAM as standard and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. This combination delivers fast, responsive performance across the board, and the extra RAM can be an advantage for heavy multitasking or keeping more apps active in the background. Both phones are extremely capable, but Apple's chip tends to excel in single-core performance and efficiency, while Samsung offers more memory headroom. The iPhone 17 Air takes a minimalist approach to its camera system. It has a single 48-megapixel fusion camera on the back, but it's more versatile than it sounds. The lens can switch between multiple focal lengths, 28mm and 35mm, and offers 2x optical quality zoom without losing detail. On the front, there's an 18-megapixel camera with center stage framing, which automatically adjusts to keep you in view during video calls. It can record in 4K at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR, and Apple's processing delivers natural colors and excellent dynamic range. The Galaxy S25 takes more of a traditional multi-lens approach. It has a 200-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. The front camera is 12 megapixels with dual-pixel autofocus, which helps keep selfies sharp even in tricky lighting. For video, it can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second with HDR10+ support. Samsung's strengths are in resolution and versatility. You can capture ultra-high-res stills, wide landscapes, and smooth high frame rate video. Apple's strength is in video quality and color science, while Samsung offers more hardware variety. Apple hasn't disclosed the exact battery capacity of the iPhone 17 Air, but claims it offers all-day battery life. With the new 40-watt USB-C charger, it can reach 50% charge in about 20 minutes. It supports MagSafe and Q2 wireless charging, making it easy to top up without cables. Efficiency gains from the A19 Pro chip help it stretch battery life despite the thin design. The Galaxy S25 Edge has a 3900 mAh battery. It charges at 25 watts over USB-C, reaching about 55% in 30 minutes. Wireless charging is supported at 15 watts, and it also offers reverse wireless charging, so you can top up accessories like earbuds or even another phone. While the iPhone charges faster in the first 20 minutes, Samsung's reverse charging adds a layer of convenience for those who use multiple devices. Both phones support the latest connectivity standards. The iPhone 17 Air's C1X modem delivers faster, more efficient 5G, and the N1 networking chip supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. It's eSIM only in many regions, which means no physical SIM slot. It also includes ultra-wideband for precise location features and emergency SOS via satellite for situations without cellular coverage. The Galaxy S25 Edge uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for 5G, supports Wi-Fi 7, and offers both dual SIM and eSIM options. It also has ultra-wideband and Samsung DeX, which lets you connect the phone to a monitor and use it like a desktop computer. This flexibility can be a big plus for productivity-minded users. The iPhone 17 Air starts at $999 with storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes in at around $849.99 with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. Apple offers higher maximum storage, which is useful for those who shoot a lot of high-quality video, while Samsung's lower starting price makes it more accessible in the premium segment. Choosing between the iPhone 17 Air and the Galaxy S25 Edge comes down to what you value most in a phone. The iPhone 17 Air is all about refinement. It's the thinnest iPhone ever, yet it doesn't feel fragile. The display is bright and color accurate, the performance is consistently strong, and the video recording capabilities are among the best you can get. It integrates seamlessly with the rest of Apple's ecosystem, from Macs and iPads to AirPods and Apple Watch. If you're already invested in that ecosystem, the 17 Air will feel like a natural extension of your digital life. The Galaxy S25 Edge is about versatility. It offers a higher resolution display, more camera hardware, and features like reverse wireless charging and Samsung DeX that expand what a phone can do. The curved display edges give it a distinctive look, and the lower starting price makes it appealing if you want flagship features without crossing the $1,000 mark. Both are remarkable achievements in smartphone engineering, proving that thin designs can still pack in serious performance and features. The iPhone 17 Air leans toward those who prioritize design precision, video quality, and integration. The Galaxy S25 Edge leans toward those who want more hardware variety, a larger display canvas, and extra functionality. In the end, there's no wrong choice here, just the right choice for your needs. Whether you value Apple's seamless ecosystem and premium design, or Samsung's versatility and feature-rich approach, both phones deliver an outstanding flagship experience.